Welcome back to Ashlyn's Life Management Classes. Today, we will be learning how to load and unload the dishwasher. Your family will be so happy that you are helping with the dishes. First, always bring your plate, fork, spoon, and cup to the kitchen. This is a gesture that shows that you are responsible and considerate. Rinse your dishes with a dish sponge before loading in the dishwasher. Start with an empty dishwasher and add some dirty things while your family is observing to make sure you are doing it right the first time. Once you have learned how they want you to load, you can do it on your own. Ask what is off limits for you to load, like knives or breakable glass. Insert the plates into the slots in the bottom section of the dishwasher. Place the cups, glasses, and bowls at an angle so that they get water from below, but don't take up too much room. Load the spoons and forks handle down into the basket, separating pieces as much as possible. Tupperware and all other plastic items go on the top rack of the dishwasher. Once the dishwasher is full of dirty dishes, it is time to add dishwasher detergent. Fill the soap container on the bottom section of the dishwasher or the dishwasher door with powdered dishwasher detergent. Press start. Washing dishes. This takes a while to wash the dishes. Wash dishes. When the dishes are clean and dry, it is time to unload. Unload the bottom rack first. If you unload the top rack first, water could spill onto the bottom rack. Put the dishes away that you can reach. Dishes that are too high for you to reach, place on the kitchen counter sorted by plates, cups, cutlery, and pots and pans for an adult to put away. Loading and unloading the dishwasher will help your family so much with household chores. Everyone will be so proud of you and so relieved that the dishes are done. And there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to see more of Ashlyn's Life Management Classes and tune in to Sunshine Fun videos on this channel. Bye!